Hey guys, what's up? Zach Calhoun here. Today I'm answering some frequently asked questions and giving you some resources so you can go get started today selling virtual staging AI software locally in your market or anywhere as a reseller or by unlocking SaaS mode on Pictastic.ai. So recently we launched AI SaaS mode, or we're calling it private labeled 100% AI SaaS mode to your brand. So you can now resell software with your logo. That means a branded login screen to your logo, a branded software experience, again, with your logo. And you can determine the subscription product mix or the pay as you go bundle mix as well, and just resell software to your customers. I know this is totally awesome, and I'm really excited for you to have lots of subscribers that passively pay you money every month for access to a really cutting edge, amazing tool where you can sell AI virtual staging credits or pay as you go bundles backed by our 100% satisfaction guarantee. Your clients will love it guarantee, and I'm going to go into that today and how that works. But first, let me show you a bunch of examples. Okay, so when you AI stage with CloudPano, with CloudPano, with Pictastic, you can input a image and output a virtually staged room with one click. It takes about a second, and it's really, really powerful and cool. And the way you set this up is by unlocking white label SaaS mode. Right now we have this big banner, and you click it and it's going to talk or show you more about what it looks like. So when you set up your account, you can put your logo. So just for fun, I'm going to put a logo in here. Let's just put this random logo I found on the internet. And of course, you got to set up your domain name as well and point your DNS to CloudPano to set up SaaS mode correctly. But for now, I'm just going to show you an example. I made a CNAME record, or I made a domain that for cloudpano.io. It's just staging.cloudpano.io. This would be like Photo House or your media company. And then your logo appears right here in the login screen. It's really easy to do. And of course, as well, you have users that create accounts and they log into your software with your brand. And you see here, this little logo is on the top left. I'll probably change that logo some to make it a little bigger, but you get the gist. Your brand, your logo, your URL, your login screen, and then the customers can just start creating and uploading in virtual staging right inside the branded app, inside the experience that you have created for them, and they pay subscriptions or bundles based on your product mix. Okay. Now, how do you set this up? I talked about in the last video. You can set up subscription product mixes. You can set up bundles, pay-as-you-go product mixes. You can track transactions. You can create users as well in the user management flow. All of that I went over in the last video. It's really powerful. In this video, let's talk about how to make money locally. What do you do? What are some examples, and what are some really important things to think about when you make a product mix? I made this very simple spreadsheet, and the goal of the spreadsheet is to show you examples that you can set up. Now, you can do whatever you want to do. You have your own power inside your own SaaS mode, but up here, I'm just going to show you. Here's some subscription examples, and here's a bundle example. Now, starting off with subscriptions, you can set how many credits per month based on how much they pay. And this right here is just a quick calculation I wanted to show you of what it would cost the customer. So let's say, for example, your first pricing tier, you call it Pro, or you call it Starter or Basic, you charge $49 a month. You can give 64 credits, and this basically would cost the customer 77 cents per credit. Or you can have your secondary tier, or tier 2, or Pro Plus. You can call it, you could charge $125 a month, and that you can give out 200 credits, and that would cost the customer $63 per credit. Now, their credits cost this much, but they only pay $125 one time, and they get loaded into their account automatically 200 credits. So then if you sell it, say you sell a team a $200 a month package, say you have a big broker team nearby, or a big team that would pay for it, you can set it to 600 credits, and then that would equate to 33 cents per credit if they use the credits. Now, the big question I get is, what happens if they don't use the credits all the way, all 600? Well, next month, let's say they use 100 credits for the first month. The next month, their account will say 600 credits. They get reloaded back to 600. If you don't use it, you do lose it. So if you sell 10 customers at $200 per month, that would equate to $2,000 per month. And that would be what your gross income is for your account. Now, I highlighted this area because it's really important. There's a minimum amount required to charge. You must charge at least 30 cents per credit in your subscription product mix. That's really important. And so that kind of sets the market a little bit and helps everyone kind of have the same kind of rules to go by. So really important, 30 cents per credit is the minimum amount, and plus $19 a month is your absolute base amount you can charge. Now, so don't miss that. And number two, here's a bundle example. So you can sell pay-as-you-go bundles to your customers, and a lot of customers like to start there. But this is highlighted at 40 because 40 minimum, you must sell at least 40 in a bundle, is your starting point of what a bundle amount would be. So let's say your first bundle you decide to charge $120 for a bundle. Okay, that means that you are charging $3 per credit. Let's say you want to have a 100 bundle and a 500 bundle. Your 500 bundle, you decide to make it $1 per credit. That means you would charge for that bundle $500. So you set up this product mix one time. Okay. And the minimum for these, let's say you try to do 40 at the minimum is 75 cents per credit. Okay. But I mean, you're going to want to charge more than that, I would think, but that is your minimum. So you have a 30-cent minimum for the subscription tier, and you have a 40. The minimum for your bundle package is 40 credits. So it's really important to know that. Okay. So you can set up your pricing mixes however you want to, and you do that in your back end. Okay, so let me show you right here. This is where you have your subscription product one right here, this part right here, you can set up your subscription. So I showed you 3 tiers. You would just click add subscription and create your product mix. Call that plan whatever you want. It's plan 1, plan 2, plan 3. Same with your bundles. You can add the bundles. And of course, you can enable and disable them as well. That will automatically appear on the desktop of your customer. So I showed you a moment ago of how you can log in. So your customers just see the virtual staging AI dashboard. That's what they see. They can create virtual staging. They can check their history. They can adjust and change their profile if they need to. But overall, the product mix is based on how you set it up in the back end. So if they decide, hey, I've used all the first month, all the credits for the first month, I'm going to go ahead and upgrade. They can upgrade all right inside the application without talking to you, chatting with you, checking with you. They just upgrade automatically. That's how it works. Especially if they use all the credits, they're probably going to want to upgrade. So it's a really good thing. And it's easy for them to do that 100% self-serve. Again, it's called white label SaaS. So that's how SaaS works. Software is self-serve, which is really, really cool, right? So you can do this too without having to support or do any type of extra support. It's very, very simple and easy to do and support because it's all delivered via the code, right? Okay, so hopefully that was clear. These are some example product mixes I made up here. I can include a link down below this video to help you can kind of copy this to your own account and play with different product mix ideas and start counting how much money you're going to make. Also, this is a virtual staging examples project site, which we can build project sites on Pictastic. So I built this one. I can send this out to you guys as well too and put it below this video. This means that you can just download these images and share them with prospective clients or put it onto your website, which is really important because if you show off examples, that's how you sell something, right? You got to go push it and sell it and show people what you can do, what you're capable of, and what the software can do. So I'll leave a link below this video of how to get access to this so you can download these images. And of course, Pictastic already can host these for you. You can even create an album as well just by going to an album right here. And then you can even, I'm going to show you this little album right here. You click the share album button and you can share that link with customers in an email, or you can even have an embed code where you can embed an album in a gallery view on your website. So you can go sell this to customers within seconds. Okay, I'll leave all these links below so that you can use them I'll make it a bundle, a seller's bundle. Okay. So you can go crush it. So that's really, really cool and powerful. Obviously, examples for a visual product will help you sell this easier, faster, and better in your local market. Okay, let's go over the last thing, the most important thing. So what's it cost? What's it cost to jump into an account and start reselling space? So let me show you. And I'm even going to show you how fast you can get going today, but I'm going to open up an incognito window because I'm already logged in to my other account. But if you click white label SaaS at the top of Pictastic.ai, you just click get started now. You'll see a little pop-up. You're going to want to add your information in here, click continue. And then this will take you to a screen to create an account and log in. Okay, so you're going to want to log in. I'm going to make up a login just for fun. I'm going to call it Zach Calhoun. I'm going to put a random email and a random password just to show you how easy it is to sign up. It's no credit card required to create a login. So once you log in, it'll ask you like a couple quick questions. I'm just going to kind of skip over this for now. But when you go to where it says start white labeling or pick this big pink button, you'll see my announcement video here. All you got to do is click get started and go down to right here. This defaults to monthly, but if you click yearly, you will get 1 month free. But to unlock white label SaaS mode, it's $3.25 a month plus 30 cents an image. And you're preloaded with 175 credits in your account, which you can then, of course, resell to your customers. And as they buy them, if the credits go down, then your customers can buy more credits, and you know that what your margin is on top of every single package you sell. So, for example, if it's $325 per month, you have a $99 per month package. You sell 10 of those. You'll be passively making, let's just look real fast. I don't want to miscalculate math while I'm live on this call. But let's say you sell 10 teams, 10 packages, and it's $9.90 a month is what they're paying you, and you pay $3.25 a month in the white label hosting fee. You're going to passively make $665 per month. Okay. And of course, let's say you sell like, a bundle. Let's say you sell, 5 bundles on top of that for $100 each. You can obviously add that in. You can do the math here, $500 as well. Now, if your customers use all the credits, okay, and then rebuy more credits, that's a good thing because they're going to be paying you even more. But there is a 30 cents cost per credit if if they use all the credits. So you have to be mindful of that. So it's $3.25 plus 30 cents if they use up all your pre-bought credits. So it's a simple pricing model and it makes sense, but basically all the credits they buy, you are putting a margin on top of them. So you make money at every single credit that is purchased, which is nice. But we went ahead and added an extra 175 credits onto your account so you can just get started with those. Okay. So basically you kind of get 175 credits for free. And then the rest of them after that are required are 30 cents each as they buy those future bundles. Okay. So hopefully that's clear and simple, but overall you just click select plan, you upgrade, and then immediately it will switch your sidebar from start white label over to set up white label, which looks like this: white label settings. And then you set it up your URL and you're off to the races and selling software in a matter of minutes. And it's really, really, really cool. So I'm excited for you. I'm excited for you to get started. And of course, if you're wondering, why would Zach and his team let you white label and resell this software? They spent all this money developing this software. Why do they let you compete with them directly? It's because I believe that distribution is super important. And I think that you know your customer base maybe better than I do. So they might as well buy, they might as well buy from you. So go make some money on it. Hopefully we all make a bunch of money on it and everyone is super, super happy. Okay. So I'm excited for you. Click get started below and I'll see you on the other side. Let us know if you have any questions. Here to help and serve.